Hello everyone, this is Parna here. Welcome to my channel Parna's Creation. Today's video is special because it is my first Q&A video on my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all of them who commented on my video and made this video special. Keep supporting my channel like this. If you are new, do subscribe on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. So today I will be answering all of your questions in my Q&A video. So let's get started. So our first question from Dual Creation. What is your name? My name is Sriparna De. In which class you read? I actually read in first year. Where are you live? I live in Tripura. Who is your favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber is Angry Brush, Love for Craft and Shivani's Creation. Who is your YouTube inspiration? My YouTube inspiration is Love for Craft. And her next question, what is your favorite color and place? My favorite color was black and place Guwahati. Her last question, which editing app you use for your video? I use KineMaster. Thank you Duel for commenting on my video. So our next question came from Crafts King. What is your full name? My full name is Sriparna De. Choose YouTube or Instagram. YouTube, arts or craft. Thank you Crafts King. So our next question came from Sneha Bhumik. Her question is, what is your upcoming video? Till now I have not decided what I will upload on my YouTube channel. As Diwali and Halloween both events are approaching, so I will try to make some craft related to this event. Thank you Sneha Bhumik for commenting on my video. So our next question came from Traveling with Craft. What is your full name? My full name is Sriparna De. What material do you have to shoot the video? Literally I don't have any tripod, so I kept my phone over 5-6 books and then shoot my video. Which app do you use to edit? I use KineMaster. Next question, which craft take much time by you? Explosion box take 2-3 days to make. Describe your YouTube journey. My YouTube journey was started on 9 April 2018 after my board exam was over. As on that time I have lots of free time, so I have decided to open a YouTube channel. Next question, who is your inspiration to come on YouTube? My inspiration was Love for Craft channel. By seeing her videos, I get inspired to open a YouTube channel and make my videos. Now is rapid fire question. First, quilling craft or newspaper craft? Quilling craft. Second, air travel or road travel? I prefer road travel. Mobile or laptop? Mobile. Fourth question, Mumbai or Delhi? Mumbai. Fifth question, Craft King or Traveling with Craft? I like both of your channels, so I can't give this answer. Thank you Traveling with Craft. Thank you for commenting on my video. Next question is from Art and Crafty. From where are you? I am from Tripura, age 18. Thank you for commenting on my video. Next question is from Shangita Acharya. When you are going to reveal yourself? I think it's not the correct time to reveal. So when I will reach 1000 subscribers, then I will reveal my face. And last question is, you are going to do any giveaway? Obviously I will organize a giveaway on my channel when I will reach 1000 subscribers. Thanks Shangita for commenting on my video. Question is from Fahim Faravi. How do you get so many subscribers with just many views? I don't know. I think people like my videos, that's why they subscribe my channel. Thank you Faravi for commenting on my video. Next question is from Happy Happy. When will you do a giveaway? When I will reach 1000 subscribers, then definitely I will do a giveaway. Thank you Happy Happy for commenting on my video. Next question is from Susan Shah. From where did you get such type of ideas to make all those wonderful things? First of all, I get inspired from other channel videos. Next question, and what is your next plan to make? Till now I am not decided what I will make, but Diwali is coming, so I will do some craft related to Diwali. Thanks Susan Shah, stay connected, and again thank you for commenting on my video. So next video is from Kids DIY. First question, when you will give a giveaway? When I will reach 1000 subscribers, then I will organize a giveaway. Second question, do you like music? Obviously I like music. What is your name? My name is Sripanade. Where did you live? I live in Tripura, Agartala. Tell me your YouTube story. My YouTube story, I start my YouTube channel on April 2018. I got inspiration from Love for Craft channel to do some craft and start the YouTube channel. Thank you for commenting. Next question is from Ananya's Craft World. Can we do a collab? Yes, we can do a collab video. When will you will giveaway? I will organize giveaway when I will reach 1000 subscribers. So next question, what are your goals? My YouTube goals are to take my channel on a higher position, and personal goal was to set up my own business afterwards. Next question, what is your watch time? My watch time is 602. Which app do you use for editing and making thumbnail? For editing I use KineMaster, and for making thumbnail I use Pixar. Last question, do you like my channel? Obviously I like your channel. I watch your all videos. Thank you Ananya's Craft 12 for commenting on my video. Stay connected. Next question is from Devapriya Dhar. What is your next plan? My next plan is to create some craft related to Halloween and Diwali. Thanks Devapriya for commenting on my videos. Next comment from Dipani Ghosh. Your ideas are just awesome. Nothing to say. And what is your next idea for next upcoming video? I thought to make some craft related to Halloween and Diwali. So let's see what I will make. Thank you Dipani for commenting on my video. Next comment is from CLC Lover. What is your favorite channel on YouTube? My favorite channel is Angry Brush, Love for Craft, and Shivani's Creation. What is your favorite video on your channel? My favorite video is my first video, that is the paper butterfly video. When you are going to reveal yourself? When I will get 1000 subscribers. Thanks CLC Lover for commenting on my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Next question is from Craft Lover. Where are you from? I am from Agartala in Tripura. Thank you Craft Lover for commenting on my video. Stay connected. Again I would like to thank all of you who have commented on my video and make this Q&A video successful. Again I will make a Q&A video when I will reach 1000 subscribers, and I will organize a giveaway when I will reach 1000 subscribers. So please support me to reach 1000 subscribers by subscribing my channel Parna's Creation and hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you.